Welcome! Whether you're ready to move from paper to digital work orders, looking for a new CMMS, or evolving your maintenance strategy, Fiix is here for you today and ready for where you want to go tomorrow. Let's discover how to use Fiix CMMS to easily manage your work, empower your team, and keep your assets running at their best. The dynamic dashboard is where your daily maintenance routine starts. When you log in to Fiix CMMS, you'll get instant visibility on key information, such as the number of work requests that came in during the previous shift. When you need more details, just click to quickly identify and prioritize tasks, like overdue work orders or low stock items. You can also customize the dashboard to include any widgets or filters that are important to you. As a maintenance professional, assets and their work orders are the major focus of your day-to-day. Let's take a look at how assets are managed in Fiix CMMS. From the Main Assets page, you can view all assets, tools, and equipment, arranged hierarchically by location. Some assets have parts or sub-assemblies, which creates a parent-child relationship. Select a specific asset by expanding the site and facility in which it's found, or by using the search bar. You'll then see everything about the asset, from online-offline status to its parts list, meter readings, and any attachments such as manuals. You can also use the Log tab to write and review asset notes. With well-organized assets, you'll be ready to start tracking, prioritizing, and planning work with Fiix CMMS's work order management features. Work orders show important information about the asset, the issue, any deadlines, and instructions for completing the work. It also shows who's scheduled and how long the job is estimated to take. To make it easier to create and standardize work, you can make task groups for specific assets or asset categories so that tasks are automatically added to relevant work orders. Work orders can be efficiently created from the Fiix CMMS desktop or mobile app. Or machine operators, managers, and outside contractors can easily request maintenance work through the Work Request portal, which is open to users without a Fiix login. Once submitted, you can simply click to approve and turn those work requests into work orders. When new work is assigned to a technician, they'll get a push notification that instantly takes them to the work order in the Fiix CMMS mobile app. From here, they can quickly review the request, prioritize tasks, and pull up the asset information they need to get things running again. The app also makes it easy to record parts usage in real time with barcodes or QR codes, attach photos, make notes, log labor hours, close out the work order, and more. Whenever parts are consumed against a work order, Fiix CMMS automatically adjusts your inventory levels. From the Supplies page, you can search and filter through every part you have on hand. And if stock on that part is low, the system will send a notification so you can issue a PO for reorder in just a few clicks. Whether your plant is using Fiix CMMS to manage spares directly, or you've got it connected to your inventory management system, such as an ERP, it's easy to track supplier information, monitor consumption rates, and keep stock levels on target. For preventive maintenance, Fiix CMMS helps you get ahead of problems and reduce reactionary work with maintenance schedules based on time, meter readings, events, inspections results, or a combination of triggers. To manage both your scheduled maintenances and regular work orders, our Calendar feature provides a bird's-eye view of all assigned work, past, present, and future. From here, you can easily change the data range, move projects around with a drag-and-drop functionality, and quickly assign work to a team or individual technicians. For a more visual approach to data-driven maintenance, Fiix CMMS features dozens of ready-made analytics dashboards to visualize your team's performance and gain insights into operational trends. For example, this dashboard visualizes all currently active work orders, alongside important information like maintenance type and priority level. Other dashboards allow you to visualize asset criticality ratings, downtime, purchase orders, asset costs, and more. You can also build your own dashboards to visualize and share any data you want. For audits in particular, there's Audit Trail, a purpose-built tool that makes it easy to pull any records on demand. From work order completion histories to equipment change logs to user records, Audit Trail allows you to instantly download up to 12 months of target data in CSV format, making audits and compliance a breeze. For even more advanced data analytics and decision-making power, there's Fiix Foresight, an AI-powered analytics engine built right into Fiix CMMS. With 3 powerful tools for analyzing your asset, work order, and parts usage data, Fiix Foresight is like having 3 independent experts constantly monitoring your operations to help you identify struggling assets, cut unnecessary work from your schedule, and eliminate stockouts on your spare parts. The Asset Insights dashboard overviews your team's current and predicted maintenance efficiency, allowing you to identify struggling assets and plan your work accordingly. Work Order Insights provides instant visibility on work orders that are at risk of delays, giving you time to act and keep maintenance on schedule. And with Parts Forecaster, you can see next month's predicted parts usage to spot and fill the gaps in your inventory. In addition to these powerful analytics tools, CMMS integrations are a proven way to take maintenance to the next level, connecting Fiix CMMS to your IT and OT systems to share data, synchronize teams, and automate business processes for massive efficiency gains. At Fiix, we take pride in having one of the most open APIs in the industry. In fact, the Fiix Integration Hub contains thousands of ready-made connectors that allow your Fiix CMMS to seamlessly integrate with virtually any system or sensor, from the plant floor to the front office. Hardware such as PLCs, HMIs, and sensors all integrate with Fiix CMMS to enable real-time status monitoring and condition-based work order creation for your assets. Production software such as manufacturing execution systems, fleet management systems, and historians can also be connected to keep tabs on your assets and trigger work, plus supercharge your analytics with new operational data streams. And on the business side, ERP integrations can make stock updates and purchase orders a breeze, while still maintaining a single source of truth in your system of record. Beyond that, there are dozens of productivity and business intelligence integrations to explore. With Fiix CMMS hardware and software integrations, each team in your organization can work in the comfort of their own system, while seamlessly sharing data and automating grunt work. Integrations also lay the groundwork for pursuing additional data-driven strategies with your CMMS. Fiix Asset Risk Predictor, ARP, is a complete predictive and prescriptive maintenance solution. Fiix ARP's powerful AI helps you predict asset failure days in advance, then automatically prescribes detailed work orders to help you prevent unplanned downtime before it strikes. When your team is ready to take the lead, Fiix ARP is here for you, prepared to seamlessly integrate with your CMMS or to be used standalone. We hope you've enjoyed this tour. With 15 years leading the industry and over 400 years of maintenance experience on staff, Fiix CMMS is made for maintenance. So say goodbye to paper-based work orders, spreadsheets, and hard-to-use software, and join the thousands of companies making maintenance better with Fiix CMMS.